Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to first do the sums that I had given for prep yesterday, and then I shall continue. Okay. Sum number 2, express in exponential form. Exponential form means, like for example, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Now the number being multiplied is 6, and that becomes the base. How many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 6 raised to the power of 4 will be the answer. You are going to write it in this manner only. Leave a line, then go on to sum number 2. Okay, now I'll give you the answers only. I'm not going to keep writing it out. I'm going to give you the answers. Listen carefully to the answer and do it in this. Write the question and then the answer next to it. Second one is t multiplied by t. T is multiplied, okay, anyway, let me do it. T multiplied by t. T is the base which is multiplied 2 times, or t is coming 2 times in this multiplication. T is coming 2 times in this multiplication, so answer will be t raised to the power of 2 or t squared. Next one is b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. Which is the number being multiplied? That is b. B is being multiplied. How many times is b coming in this multiplication? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So b raised to the power of 4 will be the answer here. Next one is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Now these numbers are not same. When we write in exponential form, we only write numbers that are same. Okay? Like for example 5. 5 is coming how many times in this sum? 2 times. So 5 raised to the power of 2. Multiplied by, next number is 7, and 7 is coming 3 times. So 5 squared multiplied by 7 raised to the power of 3. Next one is 2 multiplied by 2, a multiplied by a. 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by a raised to the power of 2. Now this answer can be further simplified, but I'm not going to simplify it here because we are writing in the form of exponents only. Next one. Number 6. A multiplied by A multiplied by A multiplied by C multiplied by C multiplied by C multiplied by C multiplied by D. Okay. Now in this case, A is being multiplied. A is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3. C is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. C is coming 4 times. And D is coming only once. So answer will be A cubed C raised to the power of 4 D. Now in this case we are not putting the multiplication sign in between because they are all variables. If they are all variables, we can write it together with the powers and without the multiplication sign. Next one, question number 3. Now question number 3 is to write the numbers in exponential form. The given number in exponential form, or you have to express it. Okay, number 3. First one is 512. Now to write it in exponential form, we must know the factors. factors of this number, and we are going to do prime factorization method to get the factors of this. For example, the prime factorization must be done on the right hand side. You can draw a line and do it, but this is not rough working. It is part of your sum. Okay, so we divide 512 by the prime factors, starting with 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 12. Again with 2. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 8 16. Divide with 2. 2 6 12, 2 fours 8. Divide with 2 again, 32. Divide with 2, 16. Dividing it with 2, 8. 2 fours, 2 twos, and 2 ones. The last factor that I get out here must be 1. Right. How many times is 2 occurring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the factors. 512 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Which is the number being multiplied? 2. How many times is 2 occurring out here or coming out here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So 2 raised to the power of 9. After you finish this, you will draw a line without cutting the margin. But remember to include this also, because this is also the working that is needed. We are only separating it into 2 different parts. Next one. Quickly, I'll finish this. 343. Second one, 343. Can be written as 343 divided by, check the divisibility. This is an odd number. It cannot be divided by 2. So take the next prime number, that is 3. Check. 3 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10. So it cannot be divided by 3 also. This cannot be divided by 5 also, because the last number is not 0 or 5. So the next number that we take is 7. 7 fours are 28. 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That means remainder is 6. Now this number becomes 63. 7 nines are 63. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. So the factors here will be 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. How many times is 7 occurring? 3 times. So 7 raised to the power of 3. That is the second one. Draw a line right across. Let's go on to the third one. 729. Now 729, remember it has to be with each one. Okay, I'm not getting much space, so I'm doing it here. 29, sorry. This is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. Divisibility of 3, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 comes in the tables of 3, so 729 can be divided by 3. So divide it with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9. Again with 3. 8 threes are 24. 3 ones. 3. Twos are 6. 3 sevens. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. So 729 can be expressed as the exponential form or the power of 3. Okay, because it's divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3 which is occurring 6 times. 3 raised to the power of 6. Next number is 3, 1, 2, 5. Now 3, 1, 2, 5. We will divide it with, check the divisibility with 3 also, because if it ends in 5, it may be divisible by 3 also. 3 plus 1 is 4, 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is not divisible by 3. So we are going to divide it with 5. 6 fives are 30. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. Again with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos, 5 fives. Again with 5. 5 twos, 5 fives. 25 will be divided with 5 and 5 will be divided with 5, that is 5 ones. So 3, 1, 2, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it is occurring. So 5 raised to the power of 5. That will be the answer. Remember children that this is important. If your prime factorization is correct, then only you will get this correct. If you make a mistake anywhere here, then your answer is not going to be correct. So be very careful when you are doing the division out here for your prime factorization. Right. Now that was till question number 3. Now I shall explain question number 1 quickly before I go on to something else. Now question number 1 was find the value of. Find the value of. Let's take the first one. Is 2 raised to the power of 6. Finding the value of this means you are finding the product. Product you will get when we multiply the factors. The factors here is 2. Now 2 is the base and 2 is the base. So 2 is the number being multiplied. How many times is 2 going to occur in this sum is given by the power. Power is 6, so 2 will come 6 times. 2 twos 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now do the multiplication. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 twos, 8. 8 twos, 16. 16 twos, 32. 32 twos, 64. So 2 raised to the power of 6. Value of 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64. Now in this manner, you will do the other sums also of sum number 1. So today's prep, apart from what I'm going to give, you remember that for prep today, apart from this, you are also going to do sum number 1 and the other sums also. As well as, I think sum number 1, you can do it in your classwork book. Sum number 1, 2 and 3, all these sums, you are going to do it in your classwork book very neatly. Sum 1, 2, 3 in CW notebook. Okay, that is your prep. Do number 1 in a proper manner. Right, next one. Question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible. Now here comparison between the exponential form is given. Okay. For example, I'll give you the first example, that is you have to compare. Compare means what? Compare means to find out which is greater or which is smaller. So let us take the first one. Okay. 4 raised to the power of 3 or 3 raised to the power of 4. Now we are comparing whether 4 raised to the power of 3 or 3 raised to the power of 4 is greater. Now for that you must know the answer to it. So we will find the answer. 4 raised to the power of 3 is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. 6 fours are 24, carry 2. 1 fours are 4, 5, 6. So what are we getting? 64. Remember children, it's not necessary that you should know the tables of 16. Be perfect with tables till 9 only. Whatever little you need to do, you can even work it out and then do it. Okay? All the tables are not important, because whenever we do multiplication, we multiply only one number at a time. So you should know one digit at a time. One digit at a time. So you should know your numbers, your tables of only one digit numbers. That is from 1 to 9. Next one is 3 raised to the power of 4 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Raised to the power of 4 because you are right. Then you are writing 4 times. The base here is 3. Base is multiplied how many times? 4 times. Now let us multiply. 3 threes, now just let's take this. 3 threes 9, 3 threes 9. 9 nines are 81. So what is your answer here? 81. Now compare. Now compare. 4 raised to the power of 3 was 64. 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81. Which is greater? 64 or 81? Obviously, 81 is greater. Now, since 81 is got from which number? 3 raised to the power of 4. Your question was to compare. Identify the greater number. So, therefore, 3 raised to the power of 4 is greater. That is what your answer will be. Now, you are going to do this sum number 4 also in your homework book for your prep. You can do it in your homework book. Presentation is exactly like this. If you're confident, you can do it in your classwork book also. Okay? But don't do part 4. In question number 4, I'll write it in homework book. You can do it in your homework book only. Sum number 4, part 1, 2, 3 and 5. We are not doing number 4. That I'll explain it tomorrow when I'm giving you the answers. So that much for your prep today. Okay. Anyway, I still have some time, so I'm going to explain the other concept also. That is question number 5. Question number 5 says, express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Now, in this case, it does not mean that the powers are same. The prime factors are same. In question number 3, when we did it, we saw that the prime factors were same prime factors there. Whereas in this, the prime factors may not be same. If you are given a question like express 512 as a power of 2, that means you are going to get 2 as your factor. If you are given express a given number as a power of 6, now remember 6 is not a prime number. 6 has prime numbers 2 and 3. So the factors that you are going to get when you are multiplying will be 2 as well as 3. Okay? But we won't give you much sums like that. We may give you only power of 2 or power of 3. Question number 5 is also done the same way, but here the factors are different. Okay, factors are different. Method of doing it, working, everything is same. The only thing is you have to be very careful about your division when you are doing prime factorization. If you are careful in that, you will not make a mistake. I'll give you one example. Question number 5. First one is 648. Now to find the factors of this, we have to do prime factorization. Again, prime factorization, we will do it at the side. 648. It's an even number, so I can divide it with 2. 2 3 6, 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8. Again, even number, divide with 2. 2 1s, 2 6, 2 2s. Even number can be divided with 2. 8 2 16, 2 1s 2. Now this is an odd number. Check if it is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 is also divisible by 3. 3 2 6, 3 7's 21. Again with 3, 9 3's are 27. With 3, 3 3's are 9. 3 1's. So now you are getting 2 different factors. You are getting factor 2 as well as factors 3. So both the factors must be written. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 is coming only 3 times. And 3 is coming 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer here will be 2 factors, that is 2 multiplied by 2. How many times? 3 times. Multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4. So here your answer will be 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4. If you do have time, try to do this sum number 5 also. Okay? If not, you can leave it. We will discuss it tomorrow. That's it for today. Goodbye and have a nice time.